Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. My name is Hannah. I am one of the Primal Gourmet authors and I'm incredibly excited for today's recipe video. If you love all things chocolate and cake for that matter, then you are in for a treat. Today's recipe isn't just another chocolate cake recipe, it's a low carb, healthy and primal friendly chocolate cake. This recipe took a few tries to get right, but what we've ended up with is a light, indulgent and moist cake. I've also topped it with freshly whipped cream that you can make yourself at home. It's really easy, and some juicy vibrant berries. This is another highly requested recipe video, so I hope you enjoy it, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for weekly recipe videos. But for now, without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
Add 120 grams of ground almonds, 40 grams of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coffee, half a teaspoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until combined. In a separate bowl, add 4 eggs and whisk together. Add 3/4 of a cup of agave nectar and 1 teaspoon of liquid stevia to the mixture and whisk once again. Slowly pour your liquid mixture into the dry ingredients and stir everything together. I like to pour half of the liquid mixture, stir and then pour the rest before I stir once more. Grease a 7-inch cake tin with butter or coconut oil and pour your cake mixture into the pan. Once done, pop your cake into the middle of the oven and bake for 20 minutes at 160 Celsius. Once done, remove from the oven and leave to cool completely. While my cake cools, I like to whip some organic full-fat cream ready to top the cake with. I'll then finish it with my favourite berries, which are strawberries and raspberries, but you can choose whichever you fancy. I love decorating cakes, so make sure you take your time and decorate it however you please. This is just an example, but do whatever you feel. For a traditional look, sprinkle a little coconut flour over the top just before serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, then make sure you also check out my single serve chocolate lava cake recipe. It's just as delicious. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe inspiration. Enjoy!